太多了，肉好重哦。
để ý á.
哦，
Nó không thấy á.
Hai rồi. You see all the ear, yeah?
Này kìa. Còn lại rồi.
No, already else.
อยู่ไรเกียร์
No.
Tao chỉ muốn phô thư là yếu thú.
You see all Riverside mirror.
I see. Thấy họ số mồi anh thì những thứ nhà đấy thì cho tụi nó thật đấy.
Joyce. Cái Thái Store
Đi lên lì này kìa.
Festival of Lights. Xmas. Bây giờ là họ chỉ cho the Christmas là
Để
sao?
cho nó cái này.
That's Xmas. Ôi ôi, cái này tôi trong thay đua California Museum of Photography. The biggest Christmas tower.
Yeah.
Oh, Christmas gift. The Mission Inn Hotel and Spa presents festivals of lights.
Got you, Leo.
Let's wait for your cousins.
Let me see.
Ready?
Đó.
Ready? Ready?
Thấy không đông mà.
What? Your shadow is in his face.
Sẵn lên cơ lúc cóอยู่อ่ะ
Yeah.
Nhóc bữa này tôi nè.
Oh, cóอยู่ Amazon.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I don't want any photos here. I just want to take it all together.
Ra mà hết rồi.
Squeeze in, squeeze in. You don't know how to use an iPhone? Hurry, the crossing, hurry. Oh, he's across it. Well, Mary Eric. No, we're not gonna make it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I'll find it. I can't find it. No friend. We're gonna break it.
Yeah.
Chắc anh ấy phải nói chuẩn thôi này. Con này.
Chuyện đó. Oh, funnel cakes.
Cái
Dạ.
trắng trong ấy cho nó ha.
Funnel cakes, chocolate. Hot chocolate.
Cá nên tiểu nó.
Mexcal.
Ở đây thấy cái tông cái ly tờ tán có sổ rồi.
Pluto 1XR. Cho đó chiếc hè sang đâu.
Nào thế là bỏ trá, đó xử lý nó vậy có tao đấy. Có bỏ tao đó.
Có cho 1X à. Có cho 0.5 是啥
Cái thay đổi rồi, ta chỉ là báo lên.
Nó khó còn nhiều lo rồi. I think that's too small.
Chỉ báo chỉ.
Stone Church.
Green lights.
Online thay đổi. Slay.
This fine? What about Nancy? Get over here, Nancy.
Nào á?
I hit it clip while I can't go like this.
Once you look down.
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.
Christmas lights. Oh, sa thì gọi là cho music nó cha mua ý từ singer.
You look at me and say, and they'll say, look at me everywhere. Life is on.
Như tớ hù song Christmas song.
When life is hard, you'll have to change.
He's coming. He knows where to go.
Yo,你học thóc cả thế luôn.
But it's okay.
Cinderella,
Yeah. And then we'll curve back around. Yeah.
Cinderella shoe for off.
We're going around first.
No. Oh, I got it.
Got you.
A thing right there.
I think yours is right over here.
We're gonna go that way. I'm not gonna touch that. That thing was creepy. Touch the belly, it's soft.
Hả? Một sao hậu? Như sao nó sẽ tao? Là Cabana.
Có lúc hậu trên đó phải sạch. Đâu phải ra hậu phải nhẹ một hậu.
Spa day. Hot, hot, hot.
I forgot about it. 铁了。
Hả?
Bữa nay có những cái lúc cổ phở cho bác học sẽ dùng một dự kiện nữa nè. Chỉ đi chỗ lên coi chút tiền.
But she precious like a little girl.
Khi nhớ tôi cũng biết nó.
Queen Mary, she's my friend. I believe I could see her again. Nobody has to care. They get mad to see.
Rồi dán cổ sân. Ôi chà.
Yeah, nó có thể tao step. Tôi chỉ cho tay tao step.
Tôi không có tiền có tí nó đó. Hay cái tiền tay nó rồi nó bắt đầu chỉ tới bố sủ mà cái này. Bỏ hô luôn. Sao cái tiền nó con viên cái nó có gì? Ôi, tiền nó có chó chứ đấy.
The name of the song or the artist. 3, 2, 1. You raise your hand first in the picture. Beyonce is the correct answer. Everybody, let's give her a round of applause as well.
USAA.
This is good for all day today. Here you go. It's gonna flow just from there. You go. Perfect. And remember, guys, you guys can load credits onto those wristbands to play the games as well. Now I have 2 more. I'm gonna give away 2 more. Now for this one, we're gonna make it interesting. Okay. Now, for this unlimited ride wristband, I need somebody to tell me on this Ferris wheel right over here. Okay. Those carts that you sit in, those gondolas. Who can tell me how many carts/gondolas are on that Ferris wheel? That is very close, so that is incorrect. What do you think? That is very close, but incorrect. That is incorrect. 17 is close, but incorrect. Incorrect. No, it's lower than 16. 15 is the correct answer. Everybody, let's give her a huge round of applause. Here we go, here we go. Ready? Hopefully it floats your way. Perfect. Awesome. Okay, I have one more unlimited ride wristband. For this wristband, I'm gonna make it more of luck. Okay, I need you guys to follow me on Instagram, okay? I'm a DJ.
Tôi chỉ muốn được chơi đi. Thế này có tàu kỹ sư.
So everyone's actually providing me with the unlimited wristbands. So once again, my Instagram is contact me. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and check my Instagram. I'm gonna see who follows, and I'm gonna ask a random civilian to go ahead and pick somebody up, okay? Okay, it looks like right now I have only 1 follower, so it's not being heard. We'll give it 5 more seconds.
Yeah.
Tina. Is that you right over there? Everybody, let's give a huge round of applause today. If you like something in your right wristband, take away order. Gonna drop it over to you.
Excuse me, you like the
Now,
Rams?
once again, this was all made possible because of Dave and Humpty donates all these unlimited right wristbands. Here you go. Ready? Here you go. Ready? I'm sorry.
Guys, when they eat,
Dave and Humpty, I have 100 something business. We're going to get back to everything we're going to go to. We're going to be doing a couple of unlimited right wristbands. We're going to be doing more giveaways throughout the day. Make sure you guys go check out our vendor booths. We have a ton of vendor booths right on the other side. On the right-hand side. That you guys want to go and check out once we have that. Tomorrow, we're going to
Wait.
Rồi mới là cho souvenir cho tôi mua hả?
Cái đó.
Croc Charms.
Cái á thì vô cho lo thì cái mía là cho không.
With the dad or somebody.
Extravaganza Holiday Market. Oh. Stay true. Mini buckwheat. อ๋อเป็นน้ำตาลเหรอ
Cái này có đông lắm xíu. Cái này nó sao mà nó có thể chế được cái lỗ trình đấy rồi. Cái lồng để mình cái trò nó quấy nó có mơ lạnh lắm.
It's 20 minutes now.
Yeah. So, phải biết là thức dậy ở trong phòng ngủ rồi. Chỉ có space. Okay, vậy. Ủa, cho nó trên cái hộp dừa.
Yeah, you don't ride, you don't buy ticket.
So that side and then make it left.
Ồ, nó chỉ xa thành ấy, nó cho tôi cho lên nó.
Tôi cho nó lấy cháo thực tế.